Being a working mother is a challenging task, and finding time for healthy eating in a busy schedule can be difficult. Yet, nutritious meals are important for maintaining energy levels and ensuring well-being. Here are 10 delicious diet dishes that are easy and quick to prepare, perfect for working mothers. 1. Greek Yogurt Parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries and granola in a glass or mason jar. It's a quick and nutritious breakfast that can be prepared the night before. 2. Avocado toast with eggs. Top whole grain toast with smashed avocado and a poached egg. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a dash of lemon juice for a refreshing and fulfilling start to the day. 3. Veggie omelet. Whisk together eggs with chopped vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Fry in a pan for a few minutes, creating a colorful and healthy breakfast. 4. Grilled chicken salad. Chop grilled chicken breast onto a bed of mixed greens and add cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and sliced almonds. Drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette for a tasty lunch option. 5. Quinoa bowl. Boil quinoa and mix it with black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and a hint of lime juice. This dish is rich in proteins and fibers. 6. Stir-fried chicken and broccoli. Sauté chicken strips and broccoli florets with garlic and soy sauce. Serve over brown rice for a wholesome dinner. 7. Turkey wrap. Roll sliced turkey breast with lettuce, tomato, and avocado in a whole wheat wrap.